Here's something that'll blow your mind. There's a simple technique, something you can execute in under 5 minutes using nothing but your hands and your car key, that can potentially eliminate mysterious engine hiccups, clear stubborn dashboard warnings, and restore the smooth performance your vehicle had when it rolled off the showroom floor. Sounds impossible, right? Like one of those too-good-to-be-true internet promises. But here's the kicker. This isn't some snake oil solution or dangerous hack. These are legitimate manufacturer-engineered procedures that dealership technicians have been quietly using for decades. The best part? 90% of drivers have absolutely no clue these reset capabilities even exist in their vehicles. What if I told you that your car's mysterious behaviors, that rough idle that comes and goes, those warning lights that appear and disappear, that transmission that sometimes feels sluggish, might not be expensive mechanical failures at all? They could be simple electronic glitches that your vehicle's computer systems have been holding on to, sometimes for years. Stay with me, because what we're about to reveal can literally transform how you interact with your vehicle and potentially save you thousands in unnecessary repair bills. Decoding your car's electronic architecture. Your vehicle operates on multiple interconnected computer systems that would make Silicon Valley engineers jealous. The engine control module orchestrates fuel injection with millisecond precision. The transmission control unit manages shift patterns based on your driving style. The body control module coordinates everything from headlights to power windows. These systems accumulate thousands of data points every mile you drive. Temperature readings, throttle positions, fuel trim adjustments, shift timing, it's all being recorded, analyzed, and stored. Over time, this data can become corrupted, outdated, or simply overwhelmed by conflicting information. Think of it like your computer's hard drive getting cluttered with temporary files. Performance degrades, weird behaviors emerge, and eventually the system starts throwing error messages. Your car operates on identical principles, but with exponentially more complexity. The nuclear option, complete battery reset. This is the granddaddy of all automotive resets, and it's been the go-to solution for professional technicians since electronic fuel injection became standard. When executed properly, this procedure can clear decades of accumulated electronic confusion and restore your vehicle to factory-fresh responsiveness. Start with your engine completely cool and your vehicle parked on level ground with the parking brake engaged. Safety isn't negotiable here. We're dealing with electrical systems that can deliver serious jolts if mishandled. Locate your battery and disconnect the negative terminal first, always. This isn't arbitrary protocol. It prevents dangerous sparks and protects sensitive electronic components. Remove the positive terminal second, creating complete electrical isolation. Here's the secret step most DIY guides miss. Press and hold your brake pedal for a full 30 seconds after disconnection. This action drains residual electrical charge from capacitors throughout your vehicle's systems, ensuring a complete reset rather than a superficial one. Wait 15 minutes minimum. This isn't about patience. It's about allowing volatile memory to completely clear from every control module in your vehicle. Rushing this step defeats the entire purpose. Reconnection reverses the process. Positive terminal first, negative second. Your radio presets will vanish. Your clock will reset, but your car's electronic brain will rebuild its operational parameters from scratch, often resulting in dramatically improved performance. Surgical precision, targeted module resets. Sometimes you don't need a sledgehammer when a scalpel will suffice. Fuse pulling allows you to reset specific control modules without affecting your entire electrical system, making it perfect for addressing isolated performance issues. Your fuse box contains individual circuits protecting different control modules. The engine control module fuse, typically labeled ECM or PCM. The transmission control unit marked TCU or TCM. These are your precision reset targets. Remove the specific fuse for 10 to 15 minutes, then reinstall. This targeted approach clears memory in that module only, preserving your radio settings and other unrelated systems while addressing specific performance concerns. This technique is particularly powerful after sensor replacements or when experiencing module-specific issues. Installing a new oxygen sensor? Reset the ECM to clear old calibration data. Transmission feeling sluggish after fluid change? Reset the TCU to restore optimal shift patterns. Throttle body calibration, restoring engine response. Modern throttle bodies are electronically controlled marvels of precision engineering, but over time they can lose calibration accuracy. This manifests as hesitation during acceleration, erratic idle behavior, or poor fuel economy that gradually worsens. Many vehicles allow manual throttle position resets through specific key and pedal sequences. With your key in the run position but engine off, wait 2 seconds for systems to initialize. Press your accelerator pedal completely to the floor and release it 5 times within 10 seconds. Timing matters here. Wait another 10 seconds for the system to process this calibration sequence, then start your engine. This procedure works on countless Toyota, Honda, and Nissan models, often producing immediate improvements in throttle response and idle stability. The key is precise timing and complete pedal travel. Rushing through the sequence or incomplete pedal presses won't achieve proper calibration, leaving you wondering why the procedure didn't work. Transmission intelligence reset. Automatic transmissions are learning machines, continuously adapting shift patterns to your driving style over thousands of miles. While this adaptive capability is brilliant engineering, these learned behaviors might not match your current needs, resulting in sluggish shifts or uncomfortable driving characteristics. Here's a powerful reset technique that clears transmission adaptation memory. With your key in the run position, but engine off, press your accelerator pedal completely to the floor and hold it for 10 seconds. Turn your key off while maintaining pedal pressure. Then release the pedal and wait 2 minutes. This clears shift adaptation memory on many General Motors, Mercedes-Benz, and Nissan vehicles. After this reset, drive gently for your first few trips, allowing the transmission computer to relearn optimal shift points for your current driving patterns. Many drivers report dramatically improved shift quality after this procedure, particularly on higher mileage vehicles where years of adaptive learning may have resulted in compromised performance. Unlocking diagnostic communication. Your car constantly communicates its health status through diagnostic trouble codes, but accessing this information doesn't always require expensive scan tools. Many vehicles include built-in diagnostic sequences that reveal stored codes through dashboard light patterns. On certain Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models, cycle your key from off to run 3 times rapidly, ending in the run position. Watch your check engine light carefully. It will flash numerical patterns representing stored diagnostic codes. 3 flashes, pause. 2 flashes equals code 32. While this doesn't replace professional diagnosis for serious mechanical issues, it provides valuable insight into minor problems that might clear themselves once you address the root cause. This old-school diagnostic capability predates modern OBD2 systems, but remains functional on many vehicles, giving you immediate access to troubleshooting information without any tools whatsoever. Escaping Limp Mode Prison. Limp Mode is your vehicle's protective response to detected problems, limiting power and speed to prevent catastrophic damage. It's brilliant safety engineering, but sometimes this protection remains active even after repairs are completed, leaving you trapped at reduced power. Performing a complete battery reset often clears persistent limp mode conditions, particularly on Nissan, Volkswagen, and BMW vehicles. This should only be attempted after verifying that underlying mechanical issues have been properly addressed. Remember that limp mode exists for legitimate protection. If it immediately returns after reset, you have genuine mechanical problems requiring professional attention. Don't shoot the messenger. Your car is trying to protect itself and you from expensive damage. Post-reset idle relearning. After any major reset, your engine computer needs to relearn proper idle characteristics across different operating conditions. Skipping this relearning process results in rough idle, stalling, and generally poor drivability that can persist for weeks. Start your engine with all accessories disabled, no air conditioning, radio, or auxiliary lighting. Allow it to idle for 5 to 10 minutes while the computer establishes baseline parameters for normal operating temperature. Activate your air conditioning and idle for another 5 minutes, teaching the system how to maintain stable idle under electrical load. Finally, drive gently for 10 minutes, avoiding aggressive acceleration or high RPM operation. This systematic approach teaches the computer proper air-fuel ratios across different operating scenarios. Patience during this process prevents weeks of frustrating performance issues. TPMS Reset Mastery. Tire pressure monitoring system warnings can persist even after proper tire inflation, creating unnecessary anxiety about tire safety and potentially masking genuine pressure problems through false alarms. After confirming all tires are inflated to specification, locate your TPMS reset button, typically positioned under the dashboard near your left knee. With ignition in the run position, press and hold this button until the TPMS warning light blinks 3 times, then release. Drive at highway speeds for 10 to 15 minutes to complete the reset cycle. If the warning returns, you likely have a faulty sensor requiring replacement, but this procedure eliminates false alarms caused by system memory issues. Maintenance light liberation. Maintenance reminder lights are simple, mileage-based timers, not indicators of actual mechanical problems. Learning to reset these saves unnecessary dealership visits while maintaining proper service intervals. Toyota vehicles typically require holding the trip meter button while cycling your key from off to run. Continue holding until the display shows dashes, then zeros. Each manufacturer uses different sequences, but all are designed for owner operation. These lights serve important reminder functions, but they shouldn't dictate your service schedule. Use them as guidelines while making informed maintenance decisions based on actual vehicle condition and usage patterns. Professional intervention warning signs. These reset techniques are incredibly powerful for electronic issues, but they're not universal solutions for mechanical problems. Never attempt resets when experiencing engine overheating, visible fluid leaks, transmission slipping, unusual smoke, or burning odors. These symptoms indicate genuine mechanical failures, requiring immediate professional diagnosis. Resets clear electronic glitches and restore optimal calibrations. They don't repair worn components, fix leaks, or resolve physical damage. Use these techniques for electronic optimization and performance enhancement. For mechanical failures, seek qualified professional assistance immediately to prevent expensive secondary damage. Advanced diagnostic tools. While manual resets provide tremendous capability, basic OBD2 scanners expand your diagnostic arsenal exponentially. Quality units cost $25 to $50 and provide code reading, clearing, and basic live data monitoring. Bluetooth-enabled scanners connect to smartphone applications, delivering professional-level diagnostic information at consumer prices. Monitor engine parameters in real time, track performance trends over time, and clear codes with complete confidence. Popular options include BlueDriver, OBD Link, and FIXD systems. These tools transform you from reactive car owner to proactive automotive enthusiast capable of preventing problems before they become expensive failures. The psychology of automotive control. Understanding these reset procedures creates psychological benefits extending far beyond cost savings. You transition from helpless victim of automotive problems to empowered owner capable of addressing many issues independently. This knowledge reduces automotive anxiety, builds mechanical confidence, and enables more informed service decisions. You'll recognize when problems require professional attention versus simple electronic refreshing. Automotive empowerment isn't about becoming a professional mechanic. It's about understanding your vehicle's systems well enough to perform basic optimization and maintenance procedures. Safety protocol excellence. All reset procedures require proper safety protocols. Engine cool, level ground, appropriate tools, and complete attention to detail. Never work on hot components or attempt electrical work during adverse weather conditions. If you're uncomfortable with any procedure, seek professional assistance immediately. These techniques are completely safe when performed correctly, but automotive electrical systems deserve respect and caution. Your personal safety is infinitely more valuable than any potential repair savings. When doubt exists, consult qualified professionals rather than risking injury or vehicle damage. Which reset technique will you implement first? Share your success stories and help fellow drivers discover the power of electronic system optimization. Your experience might prevent someone else from unnecessary repair expenses. Hit that subscribe button for more automotive empowerment content that puts you in control of your vehicle's destiny. Share this knowledge with anyone who's ever felt helpless facing dashboard warning lights. Your journey toward automotive independence starts with understanding these electronic systems. Master these resets, drive with confidence, and never let dashboard lights control your wallet again.